Now, I'm sure you've heard this saying before. Those who fail to plan to fail. And for me, whenever it comes to planning, this particular tool I'm going to talk about in this video is where it all starts. Now, before I give you this tool, yes, I'm actually going to give you access to this tool for free. But before I give it to you, I want you to understand how the e-commerce business framework typically works, right? The first thing you want to look at is the traffic. Where is traffic coming from in your e-commerce business? And what I mean by that is, where are visitors or sessions coming from in your e-commerce business? You want to make sure that a lot of people are coming into your business, whether through social media, whether through emails, whether through paid advertising, whether through word of mouth. See, just make sure that they come to your website. All right. Now, the second one is your conversion rate. Of all these people that are coming to your website, how many of them are giving you money for the product that you sell on that website? So conversion rate basically is, out of 100 people, how many of them bought? So for example, out of 100 people that visited your website, let's say 10% of them bought. Fantastic. Out of that 10%, how much did they spend? That then takes us to the third one, which is your average order value, AOV. Let's say, for example, your business sells 3 products. One 10,000, one 20,000, one 30,000, right? If different people buy those 3 products, one person buys a 10,000, one person buys 20,000, one person buys 30,000. Your average order value is the average of those 3 items together. Okay, your average order value is not, oh, because the most expensive one was 30,000, my average order value is 30,000. No, your average order value is the summation and average of these 3 customer purchases. Okay, good. Let us now move on to my secret weapon, which I call the RTV calculator. All right, so before we even start to explain what the RTV calculator does, I want you to first come here and then make a copy when you finally get access to this particular document. So it's either you make a copy or you download it as a Microsoft Excel document. I have locked it from my end. So when you finally get access to this tool, if you don't make a copy or download it, you wouldn't be able to make any changes. So the first thing I want you to do is make a copy or download it as an Excel sheet. Okay. After that, come and put in the year that you're using the calculator in here. So again, this is 2025. So you just put in the year 2025 here. All right. Now, RTV actually stands for revenue, traffic, and value, right? Revenue, traffic, and value. All right. Now, there are 2 types of calculators here. There is the one for the year and there's the one for the month. Now, as you can imagine, the one for the year is to calculate what is expected of you from a traffic, conversion, and average order value rate for a year. Then the same thing is for the month. All right. Now, one thing I want you to note here is in most e-commerce businesses, again, I say most because your e-commerce business by me a bit different, but most e-commerce businesses, you want to spend 10 to 30% of your target revenue on advertising. So whatever number I get here as my yearly revenue, the idea is I'm going to look to spend at least 10 to 30% of that revenue on advertising, right? So that means 70% would be my cost of products and my profits, basically. Okay? That's how typically most e-commerce businesses run. You might find situations where for your own business, especially at the beginning, you might spend more money. You might spend as much as 50% of how much you make, but just pay attention to that, right? Now, these are formulas. There are already formulas in this sheet. So the idea here is for you to only update the ones in green. Only update the ones in green, right? You see, I wrote it here. Update only the items in this color with your preferred name or prices. The reason why it says name or prices is because I have other calculators that if you want, you can get access to and use it for your own business. But for this one, you're just going to enter your numbers. So you enter your numbers in these 3 portions, right? Now, I've already explained to you what the traffic is. So with traffic, that is how many people come to visit your site, whether they came from social media, email marketing, organic, referrals, direct traffic, whatever it might be, right? That's your traffic. Your conversion rate out of the number of people, right? Out of this number, 9,250 people, only 0.5%, right? That's less than 1%, by the way, converted to an actual sale, which, to be fair, in e-commerce terms in the West, your average, conversion rate is actually between 2 and 5%. Now, different categories have different conversion rate. And I'll give, for example, now, in the fashion category, the conversion rate can be as low as 1.8%. Okay? Now, that is for the West. Because this is a Nigerian business, dare I say, which is kind of sad, but the conversion rate would actually be worse because the spending power in Nigeria or the purchasing power in Nigeria is not the same as the West. The West have access to things like credit cards. They have access to things like ClearPay, Klarna, pay as you go, buy now, pay later, things like that. We don't have access to those things yet in Nigeria, right? So there's not a lot of disposable income for people to patronize your business. So expect your conversion rate to be a bit less than what you would expect or see in the West. All right. Now for average order value, here is 45,000 naira. And this is actually very similar to the e-commerce business that I'm currently running. You have your monthly traffic. I've left here as 9,250. I can change that to, let's say 7.2 or let's say 7.3. If I change that to 7.3, automatically you see here, my yearly revenue has gone from 24 to 19.7, right? Now, the whole point of the RTV calculator is to help you know what you should be targeting for. So when you are running your ads, how much of it are you spending to get this amount of traffic? If you look at my store, you would see where in the month of August, we've gotten about 3,000 sessions, right? So out of those 3,000 sessions, our conversion rate is around 1.04%, I believe. And our average order value is about 58,600 naira. That would then bring our monthly revenue for August to 2.250 or something like that. So if I know that, okay, you know what, I want to make 25 million naira this year, that means I'm going to need at least 111,000 people, which you can see here, 111,000 people to visit my website, to visit my e-commerce store. Out of those 111,000 people, less than 1% of them would convert. Let's imagine that less than 1% will convert, and my average order value is 45,000 naira. That's what's going to give me 24.9 million naira. Okay? Now, one thing I love about this is I just need, for an entire year, guys, I just need 555 orders for an entire year. A year is divided into 12 months, right? Each month on an average is 30 days, 29 to 30 days, depending on what kind of year it is, right? There is no way you cannot tell me you can't find at least 555 orders in a year for your business. Obviously, there are other things like your advertising budget, your advertising creative, like I talk about a lot on this channel, things like that. But you can see how straightforward this thing is. So this whole calculator it helps you understand that a lot of things that you think that are impossible or difficult, blah, 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 is just you being afraid. Nothing. So for example, let's say we change this conversion rate to 1%, right? Just we change it to 1%. Automatically, our income or our revenue rather has doubled just by changing our conversion rate. And to update or improve your conversion rate is literally just for you to make certain changes to your product pages, add more information, make payment much more easy for people that visit the website to patronize your business, things like that. Getting a 1% conversion rate is actually not as difficult as one would think. It gets as it be, but it's not as difficult as one would think, right? Now, to get access to this RTV calculator, all you need to do is go to www.ojadigital.com. I'll put the link in the description as well. For some of you would have noticed that something about Damini has changed. I can't really put my finger to it, or maybe you can, right? I'll give you a hint. A particular color of something that I wear very regularly has changed. And that's because Skill 75 has begun. I'll see you tomorrow. If you've not subscribed, You know what to do. Subscribe.